Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramesh. In today's session, we are going to discuss about what is the difference between hash table and hash map in Java. This is one of the most important common entry question. Let's check all the features one by one. Hash table versus hash map. And these two classes are present in the map interface. Hash table is a legacy class which is introduced in the JDK 1.0 version, and hash map is introduced in JDK 1.2 version. Hash table is synchronized. It is a thread safe and can be shared with many threads. Synchronization means it is the methods which are inside the hash table are synchronized actually. Okay. And coming to hash map, it is non-synchronized. It is not thread safe and can't be shared between many threads without proper synchronization code. And hash table does not allow any null or key value. And coming to hash map, so it the hash map will allow one null key and multiple null values. Coming to hash table, it is slow because their methods are synchronized. Hash map, it is fast because their methods are not synchronized. Coming to hash table, it is internally synchronized, can't be unsynchronized it actually. Okay, and coming to hash map, we can make the hash map as synchronized by calling this code actually map equal to collections dot synchronized map. Inside this one we can pass the hash map object. Hash table is traversed by enumerator or iterator. Once we just add the all objects, we can just loop through by using enumerator or iterator. And coming to hash map, it is traversed by iterator only. And coming to enumerator, that is hash table. Enumerator in hash table is not fail fast. Okay, and coming to hash map, iterator and hash map is fail fast. So I have done one more video regarding what is meant by fail fast and fail safe actually. You just refer that video. High level I will explain it. So if you want to add the objects are in the hash map, and addition and removal will be not allowed, okay, once we just add them. If we are trying to modify the object, we will get concurrent modification exception. Just to avoid that one, we will use concurrent hash map actually. Okay, you can just refer my previous video about the same for more details. And coming to the hash table inherits dictionary class, and hash map inherits abstract map class. Okay, and coming to the real time scenario, I will just create one class called hash table hash map demo. Okay, so now I will just create the hash table of type integer and then string. Okay, hash table and new hash table. So let's import the hash table class. Now I'm just adding put method using put method actually of this one. See here, yeah. So one I'm adding as a key and value is apple. Okay, apple I'm adding. Let's try to copy this. Four objects I'm just adding here. One, two, second object key and mango. Third one is banana, and fourth one is grapes. See, now I'm just trying to print them using sysout. Okay, just hash table. I'm just printing it. Let's see the output. See, this is the output. Okay, we are getting so four objects here. Assume that we are adding some null value here as a second one. Okay, see, anything we can add it. Let's try to check it. See here, Java.lang null pointer exception. It has come actually. See here, null pointer exception. We can add like null values, okay, but so because it will thinks that like these are the, assume that like null value, just adding it. This one is second one. Assume that like see, in this case also it will not allow, because as table will not allow null as a key as well values also it will not allow actually. Null pointer exception we will get it. If you want to just uh, refer like on how to overcome this null pointer exception, you can just refer my previous video. You will get it actually. See, yeah, and just okay, removing it. Just run it. Okay, so null value, right? Okay, null second object. And one more scenario is, see here, if you want to just fetch all the keys as like duplicate keys, okay, what will happen? Just check it. 1 2 and 1, these are null, not null, right? Okay, okay, what happens? Just run it. Just pause the video and guess it, like what is the output in this case. Okay, pause it and just guess the output. And I'm just running it now. 3 2 1, go. See, so the latest object, like whatever we are giving, okay, that will get printed actually. Okay, if any interviewer asks like what happens if we give like the same keys, okay, we can call them as duplicate keys. Okay, the latest one, it will get printed. It will not give any compile time or runtime error. Okay, that is how like the JavaSoft people has designed like this hash table concept actually. Okay, so this is the concept behind. Okay, now I'm just printing, right? Okay, ht, run it. Now we will go to hash map concept. Okay, hash map, hash map. So here also I'm taking integer and then string. Okay, you can text the similar principles here also. Let's maximize it and new hash map. Let's import the hash map class. Okay, there is a typo here. I'm trying to add like hash map dot put method. Okay, so this is the one we need to use it. String and key value pair put. Okay, I'm trying to add it. Key as 1. Okay, integer, and object as Ramesh. Okay, now I'm just copying the same thing. Sorry, this is not compute actually. Put method we need to use it. Okay, 4 objects I'm just adding. Now let's okay, put method we need to use it. Okay, so second key I'm adding. Now object name is some Ganesh. Okay, third key and corresponding value Satish. Satish, and fourth is the key and value, key value pairs. Okay, this is the Monish. Okay, now let's try to print the same values. So hash map objects. Now let's check it. The output. See here, Ramesh, Ganesh, Satish, and Monish. Okay, 4 objects get printed. Now we will check the null value case. Okay, see here, null. Okay, I'm just giving it. See, null it will allow actually. On at most one null actually it will allow. Let's try to check another one null. Okay, what happens it will see. Just pause the video and just guess the output. 3, 2, 1, go. See here. So the latest null value, which is Ganesh, is getting printed. Okay, the first one, like it is net Ramesh objects, right? It is ignoring. Okay, and rest of the two objects, Atish and Monish objects, gets printed. Okay, so the idea is like the latest null value, it will get printed. It will allow only one null value, but value key values, right? Values it will allow more than one. Any number of values it will allow. Okay, let's check that one. Okay, so this is hash map, right? Okay, and values I'm just printing. See here, null. This is how like the JavaSoft people has introduced. Okay, deduce the concept. See here, one null. Okay, it is allowed, and second value also I'm giving. Second one also one null, two null. Okay, only one null key and more than like one null value it will allow. And let's check the duplicate scenario. Okay, duplicate scenario. Like similarly, like we did for hash table. See, it will not give any compile time or run time. Okay, let's check the output now. Here, see, only Monish is getting printed because the latest value, like whatever is overridden, it will override all the previous objects and gets printed actually. You can check it. See here, the latest one is gets printed. Okay, this is all about like hash table and hash map differences. Hash table, it will not allow like duplicate key or values. Okay, if we give duplicate key, so quick and the latest value gets printed. Okay, but null values point of view, it will not allow like duplicate you know null values or values also we will not use. It will not allow actually. Coming to hash map, it will allow only one null key. Okay, and values more than one we can just use it actually. Okay, and coming to duplicate ones, so both the scenarios like we can use it, but the latest value it gets printed actually. Okay, so this is how the like the difference between hash map and hash table. So please like practice it, then you will get fair idea about hash map and hash table. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and comment if you have any doubts actually. Okay, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.